Hey everybody, welcome to Ellis Mowers. Guess what today is? It's time to give away some of these super clean products. It's been a lot of fun over the past week. Last Thursday I posted a video of a giveaway. We fixed this Boland's push mower over here and cleaned it with some super clean, and turned out very well. I've got it listed for sale. Hopefully it'll sell before the winter hits. It's just a horrible, nasty day outside, but you know, it's always a good day to give away some stuff, right? So, real quickly, this is what you're going to win if you win the Super Clean giveaway. The aerosol, which is a foaming aerosol, the regular degreaser, the all-wheel cleaner, and the foaming. So, let's go ahead and get started, why don't we? Let me just tell you what you had to do real quickly in order to be entered into this. We had a little over 40 comments, so we have about 40 people that are entered. There was one requirement that I asked for. I didn't ask for any social media requirement because there's quite a few of y'all that don't do social media for various reasons, especially around this time with the election and whatnot. The only requirement I asked you to do on the YouTube end was to subscribe to my channel and to publicly subscribe. So I specifically asked you to publicly subscribe, but I realized that you kind of have to go into, you know, a little bit of your settings. It's not the default, so I didn't want to exclude people that didn't do that. However, I did check right before filming this video, midday on Thursday. Today is November 12th, and I filmed it. I looked right before I printed this sheet out to make sure that all the people who have publicly subscribed since I posted that update video on Monday showed up in the comments section, and so all of those did. So this is as of basically 2 hours before this video has been released, and all but like probably 5 of y'all are publicly subscribed. All right, so in order to be entered, subscribe to me. You have 3 entries if you're publicly subscribed to me. The 4 things that I asked, well, there's 5 things I asked for in the comments, and y'all did a really good job. So I asked, which super clean product did I use to to clean the lawnmower with? I used the aerosol. The foaming aerosol. I took both as possible answers. The 4 things I was looking for in order to be entered into the giveaway, in addition to what super clean product I used, were these things. Spark plug. I cleaned the spark plug. That was number 1. Number 2, I cleaned the carburetor. Number 3, I actually replaced the air filter. Air filter is appropriate. Number 4, I replaced the gas cap. So again, we had a water and the fuel issue for the most part. Those were just kind of standard things I had to do that when you encounter water in the fuel. So those were the 4 things. Again, spark plug, gas cap, carburetor, and air filter. You also needed to say that foaming aerosol or just the aerosol for the super clean product that I used to clean this Boland's push mower with. So, like I said, we have 44 comments. I have, well, 75 total entries. Most of these are listed 3 times. I'll show them to you. So, the first person that commented, I did one exception to him. His username is the Lawnmower Detective. He is not publicly subscribed to me. However, he was the first to comment, which means that I know that he had to watch most, if not all, the video and couldn't bum off of other people's comments. I'm not saying that everybody else did. I'm just saying that he was the first person to comment, and so that way I know 100% that he did not look at comments before he did the video. I don't think many of y'all did. However, for him, even though he wasn't publicly subscribed, I gave him 3 entries into it, just as a perk for being the first. So, what I did in order to make this list that I'm about to show you right here, And those are all the entries. Again, I calculated that up with the public subscriptions right before I filmed this video, and just a couple hours before it's coming out on YouTube. What I did, started with the first comment. So the lawnmower detective, like I said, was the first comment. So his entries are number 1 through 3. And then I did the second comment, third comment, fourth comment, the correct comments, and so on until the last comment, which rounds out 75. So let's get started. I'm going to do this all in one take so that we're not doing any sort of, can't be accused of any sort of jerry-rigging or anything. I hope y'all have had fun with this giveaway. This is all in good taste, all in good fun. Again, you have about a 1 in 40 shot of winning, so don't be too sad if you lose. It's really a good turnout. Let me show you what I'm going to do here real quick. I have a random number generator. I've got my spreadsheet here, right? So the last number, obviously the first number is 1. The last number is 75. So we're going to do this right here, right now. Random number generator, minimum number, and as you can see, I zeroed everything out. Number 1, whoops. Number 1, maximum number 75. Okay, we'll get that out of the way. And I'm going to hit the generate button. Let's see what number shows up, and let's see who wins this stuff. You ready? Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Number 57. Let's go look. All right. Number 57. I'll show you one more time. As long as that works, right? Let's look. Number 57 is Rob Olson. Rob Olson, number 57. Congratulations, sir. You are publicly subscribed to me. You do not have to show proof of that. All I want you to do is comment in the comment section, Rob Olson. Comment in the comment section your email address. Jessica from Super Clean and myself will reach out to you. If you are on Instagram, just prove to me that you're Rob Olson. You can message me at Ellis Mowers 09 as well. We'll reach out to you there. Either way, I do need an email address from you in order so that Jessica from Super Clean and I can get your home address and send these 4 things out to you. So congratulations, Rob. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for all for watching this video and for participating in this giveaway. Hopefully we'll have another one soon. I want to thank Super Clean again for giving me the opportunity to just showcase their products and give some stuff away. Really cool. And again, like I said, it's a good product. If you want to try it out for yourself, they do have a website, superclean.com. You can find it in most automotive retail stores and at Walmart. Specifically at Walmart, they sell it for about $8 a gallon. You can also get it in the spray bottles, just like you see here. But again, congratulations, Rob Olson. You will have some Super Clean products coming your way. Just get to me by Monday of next week, which will be, I guess, the 16th. Just get to me by the 16th so that we can get this thing out, get it to you. All right? Thank you all for watching. Hopefully you can stay dry if it's raining where you're at. It's not a good mower day here, but it's a great day for a giveaway. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Thank you again, Super Clean, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.